All-Star Case Breaks. We're doing 1920 Optic Basketball Hobby Box for Blake T in California. New customer. Thank you very much. Good luck. Kevin picked this out. This is box number 4. Hope it is absolutely loaded. Optic Basketball Hobby. This year. This is a Kevin guaranteed hot selection. He's feeling golden. Floyd, how you doing this afternoon? Oh man, I'm good. Fingers are fine. Zeller, Windler, Langford, Tremont Waters, 50 of 199. That is a Kedrick Dunn no-name rookie. Trae Young Elite Dominator. Nasir Little Prizm rookie. Rue Hachimura. Seth Curry All-Star. Oh, Kevin said gold. There it is. Kabengele Gold Elite Rookie Dominator Autograph. 1 of 10. Congratulations, man. Gold Rookie Auto. Donovan Mitchell, Jared Culver, Cameron Johnson, Trey, good luck on the second half. Talon Horton Tucker. Terance Mann, 50 of 79 pink. Tyler Herro. Admiral Schofield Prizm. Zion, man, Kevin's on fire.
Yep.
Now will we get a Morant in the few cards that are left? And there he is. $36 of 99. For a minute, I thought that was another gold. But it is just out of 99. All clear for Takeoff Lebron. That would have been a LeBron gold. Yeah, it's out of 99, not a gold.
And LeBron? That's good.
Oh, yeah, it's great. What are those? Probably $1,500 card? Congratulations, man. We'll try to get these out to you today.